Rabbit Rampage, Napoleon's terrifying battle for survival. In a chilling tale from July 1807, following the monumental Treaties of Tilsit that signaled the end of the war, Napoleon Bonaparte sought to revel in victory by organizing an extraordinary rabbit hunt. Little did he know that this seemingly harmless event would turn into a heart-pounding fight for his life. The task of arranging the hunt fell upon Napoleon's chief of staff, the daring Alexandre Berthier. Eager to impress his illustrious leader, Berthier went to extraordinary lengths, rounding up a staggering army of 3,000 rabbits. Unbeknownst to all, this seemingly innocent choice would soon lead to chaos and mayhem. As the fateful day arrived, the air was heavy with anticipation. Napoleon and his esteemed guests gathered in a vast field, unaware of the nightmare that awaited them. Suddenly, as the rabbits were released, an inexplicable phenomenon unfolded before their eyes. Napoleon and his loyal men fought valiantly to repel the onslaught, but the sheer number of rabbits overwhelmed them. Even the safety of Napoleon's carriage proved to be no refuge, as the hungry hares divided into two factions and relentlessly pursued their prey. Picture the surreal sight of rabbits leaping into the carriage, their beady eyes gleaming with an eerie intensity. Desperation filled the air as Napoleon's survival hung in the balance. It was a battle against a foe that had once been seen as harmless, turning the tables on the great emperor. The madness finally subsided as Napoleon's carriage sped away, leaving behind a bewildered and shaken hunting party. Berthier's ill-fated choice of domesticated farm rabbits, bred to trust humans, had triggered an unexpected and malevolent uprising. The bunnies, expecting food and receiving none, unleashed their fury in a display of revolt against their supposed providers. In this astounding tale, a seemingly innocent rabbit hunt evolved into a fight for survival, shaking the very foundation of Napoleon's empire. It serves as a haunting reminder that even the most harmless creatures can rise up when pushed too far. The legend of the Rabbit Rampage forever etched in history, a testament to the unpredictable twists of fate that even the mightiest can face.